Having trouble with the quote Vcruntime140.dll is missing error on Windows 11? We'll show you how to fix it fast and easy, so you can get back to work. Open a web browser and search for Visual C 2015 Redistributable. Select the official Microsoft Visual C 2015 Redistributable link. Choose your language and click the Download button. Select the correct version, 64-bit, and download the file. Open the downloaded file, agree to the license terms, and install. Restart your computer, if installation was required. If the issue persists, search for Vcruntime140.dll in your browser. Go to a website like dll-files.com and download the 64-bit version. After downloading, extract the file and move the Vc_runtime140.dll to your desktop. Open File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk, C, Windows, System 32. Drag the Vc_runtime140.dll file into the System 32 folder. If prompted to replace an existing file, click Replace. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.